There's a sound that is killing me here. I don't know where it's coming from. I'm lost as to where I don't know where it's coming from. And it's bothering the crap out of me. I don't know anymore. I just don't know. So, I'm keeping kind of quiet because there's someone asleep where I'm at. But, felt the need to vlog for no reason. I have glasses, there's a reason. Boom. Ha. Ha. My bosses are gonna be out, so they were out yesterday too, and I watched Lord of the Rings, the extended edition, because I need to get on that for the Hobbit premiere, which is, by the way, December 13th. Hobbit Part 2 comes out. If you haven't seen it yet, if you haven't seen Part 1 yet, you're wasting your life. I really think you need to, like, stop what you're doing right now and go watch it. Like, I don't even care. Stop watching the vlog. Go watch it. It's great. I think it's gonna be hilarious because the whole time that I'm gonna be watching Part 2, I'm gonna be like, it's Sherlock and Watson. Different fandom, but hey. It's gonna be Benedict Cumberbatch as Smaug, or as Americans say, Smog, the dragon. And Martin Freeman plays Bilbo. So it'll be kind of interesting to see that, even though it's just basically gonna be him there with the voice dubbed over. So, Part 1 comes out on DVD, the extended edition. Say that right. November, I think, yeah, November. There's a lot of important dates coming up for entertainment, which I'm all about that life, you know, that entertainment life. Mostly because I just sit home and watch movies all day. That's the only part of that life. That makes me sound really sad, but it's not sad. It is. I'm just kidding. So, yeah, that happened.